So I just wanted to do a short little video. This is actually the fan remote. Pretty nice. Just controls your light. That controls all fan and lights. These are actually timed remotes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. And of course you have your fan speed here. That's your regular, and then this is reverse. So basically summer and then your winter time, and this is the normal natural wind. So it's a little slower. This is what the fan looks like with it completely done and installed. It is really compact, but actually produces quite a bit of wind, which I'm kind of surprised by those small blades, but they do a very good job. Anyways, so I want to show you just a quick, this is the natural wind setting. Just to let you kind of see what it looks like there. So it's basically just to circulate the room with air, right? Kind of see them blowing a little bit in that tiny fan there. And this is, I guess with it full blast there, you can kind of see it does produce quite a bit of wind. Wind's moving, fans blowing. It's pretty incredible, really. We actually ended up buying another one. So there you go.
That is speed 1, and it has 6 different speeds. That's number 1. And that's like moving my papers, and you can feel the air. This would be number 6. And as you can see, it's very quiet. All you can hear is just the air moving, but not. It's very nice. I have my remote control here. You have all the settings. It's very nice. You could even do a timer if you wanted to.
It is an amazing light. I mean, fan. Okay, so the fan can stay on while the light's off. I mean, my hair is blowing. It's insane. Love it. So love it. And it has a timer. And you can turn the fan off, or you can just turn the light off and leave the fan on. It's amazing. I want a fan in every bathroom. And as you can tell, this is a really small space, and it is lit up. None of my ceiling fans were nearly as good as that little fan. Amazing. Great purchase. Here, you change it for me.
What, the light?
And speak or whatever.